Hey guys, what's going on today? So, today we're going to be giving you a tutorial of the Hill Climb Racing 2 team event, Disgruntled Road, and how you can get 33,000+ points on it. So for the time attack here, we want the muscle car with a coin boost, nitro, and the afterburner. Alright, not bad. Now for the downhill, we want the sports car. Probably want to have it, the downforce all the way, as low as you can go. And we have the start boost, jump stocks, landing boost, and wings. Yeah, a little slower, but still not bad. And for the distance, I use the Raider with the inner tires, beam boost, and the wheelie boost. Alright, I made a new record. It's pretty good, And for this final time attack, we want the glider here with a fuel boost, landing boost, and the jump stocks. Okay, and that's how you get 33,000+ points in Disgruntled Road. See you guys later.